Hi everyone and welcome to Easy Hair Tips. As fall approaches and temperatures start to drop, it's important to make sure your curls are taken care of and stay healthy. That's why today I'll be sharing my best curly hair tips for fall. First and foremost, moisturize your curly hair regularly. This will help prevent it from drying out and becoming brittle in the colder weather. In addition, wearing a hat or scarf can help protect your curls from chilly winds. Just make sure to line your hats and scarves with satin or silk so they don't cause breakage from rubbing against natural fibers. Finally, try to avoid using heat styling tools as much as possible. This will help prevent damage to your hair. When it comes to masks, use them only if needed. Too much moisture can cause swelling of the hair shaft, and too much protein can cause stiffness, which will make hair break. I hope these tips help you take care of your curls this fall. Unfortunately, this is the end of this lesson. Thanks for watching. If you like what you have heard, please follow, like, comment or subscribe. Also, we have teamed up with the Pamper Me Network and Beauty We to help the world's best hair stylists, makeup artists, photographers and models raise funds for or monetize their creative projects. If that is you, we would love to collaborate. If that's not you, but you would like to recommend a friend, we will pay you for making the introduction. Please follow and send a direct message if interested. I will send you instructions to get started. Bye for now.